Hello, this is G. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So, as a continuation of the lecture series, previous video lectures, uh, the topic today will see is the rectified linear unit applications. So, previously we saw what is a rectified linear unit is. So, we'll see it again. Like a rectified linear unit is a widely used activation function in neural networks. So this is a simple activation function uh, that is mainly used in the neural networks, that too the training of deep neural networks. So this has a linear function that is capable of giving output positive, giving a positive output if the input value is a positive one, or else it output 0 if the input value is a negative one. So this is the rectified linear unit, and the mathematical representation is f of x is equal to max of 0 comma x, where x is the input to the function. So the rectified linear unit is most popular for its simplicity and effective training deep neural networks. So the applications like, so rectified linear unit activation functions find applications across various domains. So it has its applications very widespread, and this is mainly used in the deep learning and neural networks. So the first one is image classification. So these functions are frequently used in convolution neural network CNNs for image classification tasks that rely on the extraction of hierarchical features from from the images, and introduce non-linearity to the complex patterns with the image process. So next one is object detection. So in this process, that is the object detection or semantic segmentation, the model needs to identify and localize objects within an image, and in this rectified linear unit activation functions are commonly used in the convolution layers. The architectures like FASTER or CNN, YOLO or MASK or CNN. So this rectified linear unit activation functions are most commonly used in the convolution layers, that is kind of convolution neural networks. So convolution layer act as the hidden layers in the process of computer vision or else the object detection process. So next one is like natural language processing. So in this, the rectified linear unit activation functions are employed in neural networks used for NLP tasks such as task classification, sentiment analysis, mission translation process, and language generation. So these architectures like recurrent neural networks are RNNs, or transformation, ReLU, or experience in their layers. So the next application of rectified linear unit is speech recognition. So in speech recognition systems, the model needs to understand and transcribe the spoken language. So this ReLU activation functions can be found in the layers of deep learning architectures like recurrent neural networks (RNNs) and convolution neural networks (CNNs) or their combinations, etc. Like CTC based models. So the speech recognition is the process in which the activation function uh, is used, or it can be found in the layers of deep learning architectures. So mainly in the networks like RNN, that is recurrent neural networks, and convolution neural networks, that is CNNs. So in the speech recognition process, the spoken language has to be transcribed, or else the model needs to understand to transcribe the spoken language. So the next one is the recommendation systems. So in recommendation systems, the goal is to predict user preferences or recommended items. So in this, the rectified linear unit activation functions can be employed in the neural networks used for collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, or hybrid approaches. Next one is anomaly detection. So in this activation function can be utilized in neural networks for anomaly detection tasks where the model needed to identify unusual patterns or outliers in the data. So this is anomaly detection. So anomaly detection is nothing but the error, finding out the errors in the particular pattern. So this is the other type of application of rectified linear unit. So these are the applications, that is these are the main application of the rectified linear unit activation functions. Thank you.